Okay, you got to find a piece of material to use on the side here. So when you pull it apart, you want to open it up, undo the screw that's right here, close it back up, use the material to put in between here and in the slot here to where you can pop open the back plate. Take the screwdriver, undo the 7 screws that are on top. Slide out the 2 components here, and you want to replace the hinge with the new hinge. You set it on there and it lines up with these holes here and these holes here. You want to slide it back into the little ridges that are right there. Slide it all the way down till it stops. Put the back plate back on. Sometimes you got to move it around to get it in place. Screw the 7 screws till it touches. Alright, grab the part, set it on there, right in the middle there. You want to push on the 4 corners to pop it in. You want to open it back up and put the screw in here.